I roam with hum and robe of gold. I guard mine queen and hive untold. I gift thee sweet, though sting be bold. What alchemist of blooms behold? Didst thou guess it? The answer is B. I sing at dawn when dreams do flee. I own the skies, yet envy see. I build mine home in every tree. What voice of joy doth carol free? Didst thou guess it? The answer is bird. I drifteth soft through heaven's lane. I shapeth beasts and breaketh rain. I vanish swift, yet ne'er in vain. What ghost of sky forgetteth pain? Didst thou guess it? The answer is cloud. I beareth seeds beneath the ground. I cradle roots and maketh mound. I drink the rain without a sound. What mother old whose patience bound? Didst thou guess it? The answer is earth. I spreadeth wide where labour toils. I gifteth bread from humble soils. I sway with gold as summer coils. What sea of earth doth bear men's spoils? Didst thou guess it? The answer is field. I bloometh proud in fleeting hour. I draweth bee and charmeth shower. I wilt in dusk and lose my power. What fragrant soul doth beauty dower? Didst thou guess it? The answer is flower. I drink the sun and sip the dew. I dress the bough in gowns of hue. I fade to gold when seasons woo. What fragile heart from green to blue? Didst thou guess it? The answer is leaf. I borrow light to guard the sky. I watch thy dreams as hours fly. I pulled the sea and hushed the cry. What queen of night with silver eye? Didst thou guess it? The answer is moon. I pierceth sky with crown of white. I holdeth snow and hoard the night. Though still I stand, my bones are might. What ancient beast in stone's delight? Didst thou guess it? The answer is mountain. I sing to moon and drown the shore. I changeth face yet evermore. I hideth depths none can explore. What endless heart doth thunder roar? Didst thou guess it? The answer is ocean. From heaven's veil I tumble free. I kiss the earth and wake the tree. I whisper life o'er land and sea. What terror of sky descendeth me? Didst thou guess it? The answer is rain. I bridge the storm with colored grace. I fade ere thou canst touch my face. I haunt the sky in brief embrace. What painted ghost the rain doth chase? Didst thou guess it? The answer is rainbow. I wind through field and forest green. I mirror sky, yet dwell unseen. I carve through stone with patient sheen. What serpent clear hath always been? Didst thou guess it? The answer is river. I follow thee where'er thou be. I know thy gait, thy form, thy plea. I fade with night, reborn by Lee. What twin of thine walketh with thee? Didst thou guess it? The answer is shadow. I fall in hush and cover all. I crown the bough and cloak the whole. I silken death and softest thrall. What ghostly lace doth muffled call? Didst thou guess it? The answer is snow. I weaveth silk of silver thread. I maketh home where fools may tread. I catch the quick, the soft, the dead. What patient hand by hunger led? Didst thou guess it? The answer is spider. I burn afar in endless sea. I guideth kings and destiny. Thou wishest oft on light of me. What spark of night eternally? Didst thou guess it? The answer is star. I suffer time and feel it not. I keep the tale of ages plot. By hammer shaped, by storm forgot. What silent heart the world hath wrought. Didst thou guess it? The answer is stone. I march with drums of thunder loud. I wrap the world in swirling shroud. I strike the toll, I bow the proud. What wrath of air and rain avowed? Didst thou guess it? The answer is storm. I riseth daily in coins of gold. I crown the clouds with banners bold. I chaseth frost and winter's cold. What king of light ne'er groweth old? Didst thou guess it? The answer is sun. The scroll resteth, but the story breathes still.